bees getting robbed. What a depressing sight. It definitely makes me emotional when I see my bees under attack like this. They're doing their best to try and defend it, but there's a lot out there. Wasps, let's see what this wasp does now. That wasp went straight in, and another wasp straight in. Oh, that one got kicked. So what I'm going to do is swap it with a new entrance I've developed. It's a straight swap. There's a green one. And let's see what happens. A few different versions of these. The newer version has extra channels at the top, so that the warm air that's in the tunnel escapes through that whole. That entrance there now. See what happens. That one had pollen on, so that's definitely from the same hive, and it knew straight away how to get in. The entrance remains in the same place, the opening I mean, and it makes it a much more intimidating space for any robbers to go in. It's definitely tricking a lot of the attackers. The wasps haven't liked the idea of going in there. See a few wasps turning away. That wasp's gone in. Let's see what happens. That's been turned away. You see that? Because it's a long tunnel like that, there's a lot of space for these bees in here to defend, whereas with a normal opening, the wasps seem to be able to go straight in. You see here how that wasp was smelling near the mesh. It's going in. Let's see if it gets kicked out. That wasp got kicked out, second wasp to get kicked out. And this is a weak colony. It might be on double brood, but really it should be in a single brood. If you're worried about your bees getting robbed out because the wasps are really bad this year, then get these. And if you want to protect your bees from getting robbed out this season, then pick up these entrances from me. You can get them on nectarmap.com. Let's see what this wasp will be doing now. Will it get kicked out? That got kicked out. That's 3 out of 3 wasps that have gone in that entrance have been kicked out. Very effective. And one thing I've noticed is when the bees get used to it, they often stand here protecting the outside of the tunnel. That's the 4th one being kicked out now. 5th one going in. And the 5th one getting kicked out.